Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Shailaja Dumar, your literacy subject teacher. Children, I hope you all are fine and enjoying at home. Also, I hope you have settled with literacy book kit. Yes? And today which content we are going to learn, that is from phonics skill book. Yes? So take your phonics skill book, take pencil and sharpen your pencil. Children, there is one new content today which is different O sound. What? Different O sound. If you will see, before we have completed double S, double S, double L sounds we have completed, and different S sounds also we have learned. Yes, we have learned many vocabularies of double S and double L sound. Also we have learned different S sounds. In that many vocabularies we have learned, and we have solved some practice sheet also. But today we are going to learn one new content which is different O sound. For that, come to page number 4040. So I hope you have opened this page which is 4040. Yes, different O sounds. What is this? Different O sounds. Children, if you will see here, OU, OW, OI, OY. These are the different sounds. But beginning, if you will see the first word, if you will see the first letter of this each word, if you will see in this circle, each first letter is O. Okay, it means there are many words, there are many vocabularies which relates to OU, which relates to letter O. That we call different O sounds. These are the examples of different O sound. First we'll see OU. Okay, first we'll see OU, ow. Okay, what is this? This is house. What is this? This is a house. So if you will see here, children, House, house. See the spelling. Yes, see the spelling. Use your logic and observe neatly what is the spelling and this OU words. How many words relate to these two letters, two sounds? Okay, I mean to say this one sound. Yes, so this is the first word which is related to this diagram. OU, ow, HOUSE, house. Next picture. What is this? This is a cloud. If you will see OU, CLOUD, cloud. CLOUD, cloud. Yes. Next picture. MOUSE, mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Okay, children, if you will observe in these three pictures, what we call above it has been written. Okay, and while reading the spelling, if you will see OU, ow, it is there in between. Yes, so ये words जब हम ये जो sound है इसमें हमने use किया है, then only these words are completed. After completion of these two letters, we got the correct word, okay, meaningful word, which is house, cloud and mouse. Okay, next, ow, OW, ow. Yes, so in the first picture if you will see, what is this? OWL, owl. OWL, owl. Okay, next, COW, cow. COW, cow. BROWN, brown. BROWN, brown. Listen it very carefully how teacher is sounding. Okay, next, what is this? This is a crow. Very good. CROW, crow. Next, PILLOW, pillow. Pillow. Yes. Now next sound. OI, oi. OI, oil. So if you will see, these are the three examples. Okay, OIL, oil. BOIL, boil. boil माने उबालना. ओके, हम लोग क्या क्या उबाल सकते हैं? एग भी उबालते हैं. अगेन देर आर मोर सब्जीज जो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बॉईल करते हैं ना उसको. वाटर भी हम लोग बॉईल करते हैं. नेक्स्ट SOIL, सॉइल. सॉइल माने मिट्टी. ओके, ऑयल, बॉईल एंड सॉइल. ओके, नाउ लास्ट साउंड OY, oil, oil. Okay, see, these are the three examples. BOY, boy. TOYS, toys, जिसको हम लोग खिलौने बोलते हैं. ENJOY, enjoy. If you will see in this picture, these two characters are there. Okay, and these both are enjoying in this pool. Yes, so here the word is ENJOY, enjoy. आप जब पानी में जाते हो, आप जब स्विमिंग टैंक में जाते हो, स्विमिंग पूल में जाते हो, okay, you also enjoy, right? So for that purpose, here the word is given. Okay, now children, what you are going to do? We are going to read this word together. Okay, now put your finger, magic fingers below each letter and repeat after teacher. Listen it very carefully because your pronunciation, your sound should be very clear. Understand? Yes. Say OU, ow. Okay, before that we'll read this. DIFFERENT, different, different. SOUNDS, sounds, different O sounds. Okay, OU, ow. OU, ow. HOUSE, house. CLOUD, cloud. MOUSE, mouse. House, cloud, mouse. Okay, come to next sound. OW, ow. OW, ow. OWL, owl. COW, cow. BROWN, brown. CROW, crow. CROW, crow. PILL, OW, pillow. YELLOW, yellow. Owl, cow, brown, crow, pillow, yellow. Yes. Next, OI, oil. OIL, oil. BOIL, boil. Say it loudly, come on. I can't hear your voice. SOIL, soil. Okay, now last sound. OY, oil. BOY, boy. TOYS, toys. ENJOY, enjoy. Oil, boil, soil. Last row, boy, toys, enjoy. Okay, till here have you understood everyone? Fine. Now come to page number 4141. Okay, sharp your pencil, all of you. Okay, now children, if you will see, yes, if you will see here on this page, one practice sheet is there. We are going to complete this practice sheet. Okay, just repeat after me. Practice, fill in the correct sound. Okay, now children, tell me, which picture is this? This is a house. Very good. Okay, now tell me the spelling. H-O, yes, U-S-E, house. Just now we have read those words, right? You can do one thing for the answer. You can go to page number 4040 and you can see the answers also. Now tell me the answer of this picture. Go to page number 4040, you will get the answer. Yes, check the spelling of boys. Last row mein hai spelling. Yes, B-O-Y, boy. Check the formation, letter formation, write correct formation. In a correct formation you are going to write. Okay, now this picture, what is this? S-O-I-L, soil. Okay, say H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-Y, boy, S-O-I-L, soil. Okay, come to this picture. Yes, what is the answer? C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Clouds. Yes, now what will come over here? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Yes, now what is this? Joker. What we call in English? Clown. C-L-O-W-N, clown. Say and write, everyone. C-L-O-W-N, clown. Yes, have you completed till here? I'll just wait for 2 seconds. Complete it. Yes, I hope you have completed, everyone. Say C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. C-L-O-W-N, clown. Yes, fine. Last row, owl. What is this? Owl. So what will come here? Check the spelling on the page number 4040. Come on. Yes, very good. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. What is this? This is a toy. Khilona. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y, toy. And ये जो है कुछ उबल रहा है ना, so what we call in English? Boil. Very good. B-O-I-L, boil. B-O-I-L, boil. O-W-L, owl. T-O-Y, toy. B-O-I-L, boil. Okay. Now children, have you completed till here? Okay. Now take your literacy workbook. Okay. I'll just wait for 1-2 seconds. Take your literacy workbook. So children, I hope you have opened. I hope you have your literacy workbook in your hand. Yes. Now children, you can do one thing. Directly come to page number 3636. Okay. Have you opened, all of you? I'll just wait for a second. Page number 3636 आपको open करना है. Take your pencil, sharp your pencil. Okay? Yes, I hope you are settled now. Children, what is this? This is our literacy workbook. Okay? Now, in this workbook, if you will see on this page, short A sound. Yes, we have learned short sounds. Yes, I hope you have remembered those sounds. these are the homeworks. Okay, so what you are going to do is short A sound, write the names of the picture from the help box. Write the names of the pictures from the help box. Children, if you have remember, we have completed this practice sheet. I mean to say, we have solved these kind of practice sheet in literacy skill book. Yes, so same way you are going to solve this practice sheet also. If you will see in this helping box, these are the words. These are A short vocabularies, A short sounds are there. Okay, so what you are going to do is, you are going to recognize these pictures. Okay, and from this helping box, you are going to write over here. So children, I hope you have opened page number 3636. Yes, I'll just wait for a second. Come on, you just settled with your literacy workbook. Yes, come to page number 3636, short A sound. Okay children, we have learned short A sound, long A sound also. We have learned many vocabularies related to A, which are short and long. Yes, now if you will see this worksheet, same worksheets we have solved in literacy skill book. Yes, I hope you have remembered those worksheets. If not, please go to pages of, you can take the phonics skill book and literacy skill book. Yes, and you can see the short sounds vocabularies also. Okay, then you will get some ideas how to solve this. Yes, so children, what are these? If you will see in this box, here some helping words are there. Why it is there? Because these are the pictures, and pictures you are going to recognize, and the spellings are here. You are going to write those spelling below these pictures. Okay, now what is this? Short A sound. Write the names of the pictures from the help box. Mane, here these are the words. In this box, helping words are there. Okay, in below each picture you are going to write that correct word. Like example, what is this? Fan. Very good. Now what is the spelling of fan? Cat, jam, tap, fan, van, pan, bag, car and hat. Yes, so what will be the spelling of fan? F-A-N, fan. Yes, so write over here F-A-N, fan. And children, after writing this word, give one dot over here. Okay, as you know this method. Yes. Now children, what is this? This will be your homework. You have to solve by your own. You can take the help from your parents also. This is your homework. You have to complete at your home. Yes. Now come to page number 3737. I hope you have settled very good properly. Yes. Now come to page number 3737. Short A sound. Okay. Find the rhyming words and draw a line across them. Children, if you see, these are the examples of rhyming words: jam, dam, cut and bin. Now what we are going to do is, यहाँ पे जो rhyming words के example दिए गए हैं, these are the 4 examples. From those 4 examples, you are going to make a pair of rhyming word. Yes, and on that you are going to across one line. वो एक line जो है आपको उसके ऊपर देनी है. जहाँ पे भी अगर आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो इस एग्जाम्पल्स में, आपको 2 जो वर्ड्स हैं वो राइमिंग वर्ड्स लेने हैं और उसके ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन मारनी है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ एग्जाम्पल्स, इफ यू विल सी जैम, डैम, कैब एंड व्हाट इज दिस? कैब, जैब. यस, तो उसके ऊपर अगर आप देख रहे हो तो क्या है, एक लाइन जो है उन्होंने मार्क की गई है. सो सेम वे यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, फिन, log, cat, bat. Now children, from this 4 pair, 2 pair which are rhyming words. Tell me which are those? Yes, cat, bat. These are the rhyming words. So what you are going to do is, you are going to give one sleeping line. Okay, so this will be your homework. Right upper side, homework. Yes. Now come to page number 3838. After 3737, which number will come? Yes. So turn the page and come to page number 3838. 38. Okay, children, I hope you have opened page number 3838. Short A sound. Now what is this? Look and name the picture. Color the one that has short A sound. Now children, see, this is a cap and this is a bell. Now what you are going to do is, from these two pictures you have to color the one which has short A sound. Okay, now you have to use your logic and you have to observe this very neatly, correctly, okay, and you are going to color it very beautifully. Also, as well as you are going to write the short A sound word. Okay, so this will be your homework. I'll give you the clues also. This is a cap and this is a bell. So from these two pictures you are going to color the one that has short A sound. Okay, now come to page number 3939. Okay, so I hope you have opened this page, all of you. Yes, short E sound. On this page, short E sound is there. Add a letter to the blends to form new words. Already we have learned this, yes, and we have solved one practice sheet which relates to this short E sound. Okay, now what you are going to do is, here these are the letters. Okay, these are the letters. Now you have to, on this side you are going to write this complete word. Then only we are going to get the complete word and meaning, right? Like example, B-E-F-E, and what is this? B-E-F-E-R-E. These ये words complete हो गए हैं क्या? Is this completed? No, we are going to complete those words with the help of this letter. Like example, B-E-D, bed. C, B-E-D, bed. F, yes, F-E-D, fed. F-E-D, fed. R-E-D, red. Okay, so like this you have to complete remaining all the examples. This will be your homework. Say and write while completing this homework, everyone. Okay, so children, I hope till here you understood. Yes, today we have learned one new content which is different O sounds. Yes, also we have solved one practice sheet. Yes, so children, I hope you understand our today's content. Also we are concluding over here. Okay, there are some more content which we are going to learn in the next session. Okay, we'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you everyone.